Hey guys, it's ELBeautyL here, and today I'm here bringing you guys some cute little lipsticks that I bought from Walgreens. I know it's been a while since I've had a video, but your girl is coming back. Your girl is coming back. I'm coming back, so okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Let your mama and them know what I'm doing over here. And you know, your mama, your auntie, your granny, whoever, your sister, your brother, whoever. Let them know. So, actually I have 6 lip colors. And these are the lip colors. And these are some Wet n Wild shimmer liquid eyeshadows. I thought these were really cute, so I want to show you those as well. So anyway, let's get into the lip colors. You know, it's fall, so I felt this would be a great time to share with you guys some fall lip colors. All right, so this first one is in the color Heartbeat. I think that's cute. I think that's a cute name. So I'm going to put it on in this mirror. Pretty color. This is pretty color. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. What do you guys think? Look, I think it looks pretty good. I like this. It's pink, but you know, I would say it's nothing spectacular about this color because you know, it's pink. We see tons of pink. We see tons of pink lip color. But I do have some colors that y'all are gonna say, what girl? They get that color? Okay. So, all right. Okay, this next color, it is called Shadow. Yes, so if you aren't sure, it is a gray. So I'm interested to see how this looks because I haven't tried these on. So, okay. I mean, like, for real though, like, for real though, like, I'm kind of digging this. I kind of think this is cute. Now, I feel like my teeth look extra yellow. This is matte lipstick, so when you put it on, you know, you might rub your lips together for the first, you know, layer or two. But once you put it on to say, okay, this is gonna be my final layer, you don't wanna rub your lips because since it's still wet, it's gonna rub that color away. So you wanna let it set. Okay, Rimmel London's Shadow. I'm not mad with the purchase. Okay. Okay, the next color is, it's a brown and it is in the color Plunge. Okay, I like that. I've been looking for a nice cute brown that's more brown than red. I think it's cute. I think this is really cute. I think it's a nice, cute color, especially for fall. I think that it's kind of, to me, it's sort of kind of a nude color. It can be a nude, but I like this. I like this color. What do you think? I think it's really cute, especially if you want it to be you know, fancy eyes and makeup, but then more of a softer lip, where you're just sort of like, okay, I'm gonna let the rest of my face show, and my lips, honey, they just gonna be used for talking. There you go. This next color is called Midnight. I think it's really pretty. It's sort of like a fuchsia, burgundy, maroonish color. In the tube, it sort of reminds me of Milani's Obsession, which I love, love, love that color. So I'm gonna see if it's similar to that, because I love the Obsession color by Milani. So it's giving me a little bit of that feel. This is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the color Midnight. So, I mean, it sort of kind of reminds me of Milani's Obsession, but I think it's a little bit more burgundy, I guess. Milani's Obsession is a little bit more pink, fuchsia, magenta, like a darker pink. I get more of a like a wine or cranberry with this color. I think it's pretty cute though. Oh, I like this. I really like this color. I like that it really reminds me of fall, because it is truly like I would say like a cranberry color. I really like this. Okay, this next color, I'm thinking it really, really is more of a nude. It is in the color Mocha. Okay. Now I will say they had quite a few brown or nudes or lighter color matte lipsticks, of these Stay Matte liquid lip colors. So I mean, I didn't want to pick a bunch of them, so I just picked this one, and it seemed like it would be more of a nude color for me. So let's see. This is kind of cute. I kind of like this. Yeah, this is kind of cute. This is nice. Sort of like what I said about the color Plunge, the brown shade. It's more of a nude, and this one is more of a nude against my skin tone. And it's more of a nude, and you know, sort of like, okay, well, I will have some lip color on that's not doing too much damage, or not saying too much, but my eyeshadow and the rest of my face can, you know, be really fancy. But I think this is cute. This is really, I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but this is really nude for me, which is good, because I've gotten nude lip colors before, and honey, no, they were too light. And you know, when you get a nude that's too light, it sort of gives you that that crackhead look, and you know, you don't quite want that. So but this one, I think this is a good one for me. This is the color Mocha. Okay, this last lip color I'm gonna show you is this beautiful purplish blue. Now on camera it looks a little purple, but I guess in real life it looks a little purple too. Maybe more of a bluish purple. But I can't wait to try this on. Hold on. All right, here I go. What do you guys think about this one? See, I'm breaking my own rules, okay? Because I keep on putting a layer on thinking it's my final layer, but then I rub it in, so then I have to put on another layer. Okay. I did it again. Okay, let me let this layer dry a little bit. But while I do that, what do you guys think of this color? I mean, it's really cute though. Now looking at looking at it on the camera, it looks just okay, but when I look at it in the mirror, it looks kind of cute. But you know, that's sort of like the that mirror effect when you try to take a selfie and you look cute in the mirror, and then you take a selfie and you look crazy ugly and just crazy. So this might be that. I might try to take a picture and it turns out terrible, honey. But yeah, let me know what you think. So you see, if I keep on layering it and then I rub it in, it like kind of wipes away a little bit of the layers. All right, well, that's it for the lip colors. Like I said, those were found in my local Walgreens store. So like I said earlier, I did have I did also purchase this Wet n Wild Fairytale ending liquid eyeshadow. There you go. And you might be able to see it. You know, the little dab right here. Okay. So that's the Fairytale ending. But then I also bought this color. It's called When Stars Align. So it's a really pretty shimmery, darker liquid eyeshadow. I think it's really pretty, really pretty. And actually I'm gonna do a little dab. Honey, shut up. Shut up. That's kind of cute on here too. Y'all see that? Okay, hold up. So all I did was put it on here and just dabbed it in a little. Hold up, that is cute. Oh, and you know what? Yeah, this actually looks really cute with this color, as I'm seeing, like this Wet n Wild shimmer liquid eyeshadow in the color When Stars Align looks pretty good with this lipstick, this lip color. What do you guys think about that? Ooh. So again, this is When Stars Align, Wet n Wild. Very pretty. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching my video today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and go ahead and comment down below, honey. Go ahead. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Share your opinion. Let me know what you think. Whether you like it, love it, hate it, whatever. Just let me know. But again, thank you for watching this video. And I just got to feel it myself. Like...